Acquire phrasal verbs. In this lesson, we're going to have a look at how to use the phrasal verb freak out. We use freak out to mean to become extremely emotional, especially excited, joyful, scared, or shocked. My dog freaks out every time the doorbell rings. A man on my flight started freaking out. The boss freaked out when he heard about the bad sales figures. The fans freaked out when they saw their favorite actress. Okay, don't freak out, but I think I broke your laptop. We use freak someone out or freak out someone to mean to cause someone to be extremely emotional, usually scared or anxious. I hate spiders. They freak me out. Clowns really freak me out. The movie was so scary, it freaked all of us out. How about you? What freaks you out? Let us know in the comments. Do you want to practice speaking English? Join the Acquire English Club. Learn from and chat with native English teachers. Practice your English with learners from all over the world. The Acquire English Club. Go to aenglish.club. Talk to you soon. Hi, my name is Adam, and I'm one of the teachers here at the Acquire English Club. We started this club to give people like you a chance to practice speaking English. And that's why, after you sign up, you can take unlimited lessons. That means you can take classes nearly every day. Let's talk about how it works. After you join, you'll be able to sign up for a class on our website. Then, before the class starts, about 15 minutes to 1 hour, you'll receive a link to join the class via Zoom. In the class, you, a native English teacher, and members from all over the world will join. Next, the teacher will introduce discussion questions or tasks. Then, the teacher will split the members into small groups to discuss the questions or just chat freely to get to know each other better. The teacher will sometimes join different groups to answer questions or help out if necessary. It's simple, fun, and a great opportunity for you to practice speaking English. And remember, you can take as many classes as you want. We look forward to meeting you and seeing your English improve. Talk to you soon.